Now we are going to practice two pranayam and two kriya which will help you to relieve from your constipation and improve your digestion. So let's start with bhati kriya. Before starting this kriya, you have to sit in Padmasana, Sukhasana, any meditative posture. Then place your both the hand Gyan Mudra. Slowly inhale and slowly exhale. Then you have to exhale through your nostril forcefully and pressing your abdomen inside. Exhale forcefully through your nostril and pressing your abdomen inside towards your spine. Do it 30 times. And relax. Now we are going to practice Agnisara Kriya. The posture remains same. In this Kriya, we have to do exhale forcefully through nostril, then hold your breathing. Now we are going to practice Agnisara Kriya. This is a very effective Kriya, those who are suffering with indigestion and constipation. So how will you practice? First of all, place your both the hand on your knees. Inhale, then completely exhale. Then empty your stomach completely. Now we are going to practice Agnisara Kriya. This Kriya is very much helpful those who are suffering with constipation and indigestion. So how will you practice? Place your both the hand on your knees. Take deep inhalation first. Then completely exhale. Empty your stomach. After exhalation,